Now that I've created all my sketches to be used in the loft, I can go ahead and I create it. I do want to stress the loft will work without these breakpoints. These just give me a bit more freedom to control the shape of the loft. So to create the loft, I'm not going to pre-select any sketch. I'm going to come up here and tell I want to create a loft at boss base. Here's where I select my sketch profiles. It's highlighted in blue, and that's SOLIDWORKS' way of telling you go ahead and select. What is very important is when I select a sketch, so I'm going to start with this one. I'll just zoom in and I select this sketch here. Wherever I select it, say I select here, it's very important I select the next sketch in roughly the same point. I don't want to select it here, and I'll just demonstrate what will happen if I do. See the twist? We don't want that twist, so I'm going to come back here and I'm going to delete that, and this time I'm going to select it roughly at the same location, and now it looks good. So again, when you're selecting the entities, try not to select in the middle because you'll be slightly to one side or the other, and that can cause your twisting. So I'm going to select this one roughly here and this one roughly here, and I have a nice preview. This is a basic loft, so we don't have any start or end constraints. There are no guide curves and there are no centerline parameters. I am going to merge all the tangent faces and merge the result. But before I exit this, I want to right click and I just want to show you. I have the ability to show all the connectors. By default, it's just showing one connector. So I'm going to turn them all on. And if I were having grief with this or the shape wasn't what I wanted, I can always grab the connectors and I can move them around and change the appearance and the shape of my loft. But this loft has worked well. I'm going to say OK. And I've now created this loft as part of my water pump. So I'm going to save my work and continue from there.